Hello YouTubers! It is Friday afternoon and I decided to get the camera out and give you a Friday update on what is going on the Rancho. Well, Rosie girl was at work and then she came home at 1 and she decided to take a rest break today. It was really super cold this morning and it was really moist out, very damp, and I actually wore all day long a long sleeve sweater up until now. Like it's like 3:30 and I finally can put something skimpy on, because at 1:30, 2 o'clock, the sun all of a sudden came out and the sky just all of a sudden just turned bright blue, and temperatures have risen now probably in like the mid-70s, upper 70s maybe even, so it's actually nice now. And yeah, it was really murky out today, so I took I dilated this morning and it took an hour and a half, and then I went out in the sunshine, took a shower, and then I had wet hair and out in the cold, so I've been wearing this hat all day. Ooh, ghosts, the door's opening by itself. So, kind of have been a lazy day. I just really didn't feel good in the morning. I did take out the trash and moved some of the wood that we have for the construction from the patio under the roof here. As you can see, it's kind of like just all under there. Sitting upright. I didn't want it to get wet because there was so much moisture in the air that it literally, the ground got wet a little, so I didn't want that wood to get wet. It costs a lot of money. So I got that done, and I fixed something for breakfast and just really been a drag today. And then I got sick to my stomach, so I ate something that kind of helped my stomach, so I am going to be doing some sweeping. So I gotta desperately sweep the bedroom, so I figured I'll take you with me. And don't wear, I'm not really wearing anything fancy. I'm wearing my peach colored cami. I'm wearing the leggings that have the buttons, metal buttons, which I think are really cool, and flip-flops because it was so cold this morning, all morning, that I actually even had considered putting on socks, and wearing socks. What? Are you serious? Like that ever happens, right? But I gotta admit, it was so cold. I really thought that I should put on some socks, but I didn't. So anyways, let's get this sweeping done, and then move on to the next subject of the day. Gotta get that cord pulled out and plug it in, plug it in, plug it in. And voila, t'abbiamo, sir. Very good, yeah. Oh, Lord have mercy. Oh, gotta have a little bit more cord to move around. Well, I think that'll be enough, so, whew. have to use the hose. Oh Lordy, Lordy, have mercy. All this dust and dirt. Well, as you all know, we are in the construction renovation with the bathroom and dust and stuff all the time, everywhere. So I'm trying to keep it contained, which works out pretty good. Every time we work on the bathroom, I basically go on a cleaning detail and I mop all the hardwood floors in here every day after the construction has concluded for the day. And I try to sweep all the rugs on that very same day that we had construction. Woo, look at this. This is like full, baby, full. Really needed sweeping, so I'm actually able to keep it all nice and clean. I mop the kitchen all the time too when we have construction, so that, yeah, just every time you have done some construction, you just want to make sure that you are getting it clean out. Well, this needs 5 hands to get this done, so we'll do this in a little bit. Anyways, I have been thinking about something that I'm gonna try to start up for my tractor video channel, Farmgirl Marie. And what I'm going to do is I'm gonna show you here on my laptop. Here, as you can see, I have a virtual 3D farm. Okay, and you can use machinery, equipment stuff, and I can actually jump right into a piece of equipment here. As you can see, this is just something that I recently purchased today. Sluta. Anyway, so what I was thinking about doing, and you can like go into the cab and then you can drive the equipment, but there's the steering wheel and you can look all the way around, like virtual reality 3D game. Yeah, I don't have much time to play games or watch TV or anything. Let's see, you can steer and all that stuff. Well, anyway, a lot of people enjoy watching videos. A lot of people enjoy watching these kind of videos with particular models, and you can download models that you can add to the game and all that stuff. So I'm thinking about bringing a video maybe once a week of that out as well for people to enjoy, and it's called the Farm Simulator 2013, and I heard 2014 will come out this fall, and I'm of course gonna get it and then start making videos with that. So that is something new that I am trying to come up with for that channel. And of course we're gonna keep on switching here on this channel, our collab channel, Jenn and Rosie Reality TV, and we will make videos. We might go out together tonight, go to, let's see, what did she say, the Italian? I'm not quite sure, but yeah, I can't remember. But anyway, we probably will make a video tonight if we go out and eat. So I think I've bored you enough now. So I hope you enjoyed the vacuuming, and stay tuned for more videos to come. Like we always say, this is reality TV, and this is reality. You know, you gotta do your house cleaning and stuff, and you know, that's just the way it is. So welcome to our world. Alright, with that said, we love you all very much. Toodles.